Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can replace the iPhone 7 broken screen or the LCD. You can see this screen is quite smashed, so let's take a look at how you can replace it. First, we're going to press on the power button and shut down the phone. This is a brand new replacement LCD that we're going to replace it over. It comes together with the glass, so the LCD and the touch screen come as one unit. First, we're going to remove the pentalobe screws at the bottom here. There are some tools that you're going to need for this repair. Suction cup. So here I place the sticky tape on it. That will help me to use. You need to pry it off, so we can start from the bottom down here to pry off the screen. You can see it's quite sticky, it won't come off. So we need to pry it from the bottom of the screen. So at the bottom here there are some openings, so try to look for an opening somewhere so that we can put in the pry tools. Now if it does not work, you might need to use a hairdryer to heat up the area around here. Now you can see you need to pry it off like this. So just keep doing this until you have an opening. Adhesive sticking in, so we need we need to move some of these parts over to the new screen. To begin, we will need to remove these 6 screws at the top. Okay, now we need to remove the metal bracket and then remove the speaker or the earpiece right there. And now we need to pry off the camera flex cable. They are very fragile, so be extremely careful. Just go gently. You need to be patient while doing this. So just be patient and pry out slowly. Pry out the flex cable. Go slowly. Don't force it. Otherwise, you can damage and the camera or other parts will not work. So here, just pry slowly on this part here as well. Just be very careful and very gentle. Pry off the flex cable. Now sometimes the adhesive is quite strong, so you may need to pry off the rubber bit underneath it. That's okay. Once it comes off, it can be easily separated. So just be patient and you will see it here. Okay, so here it will come off. Again, be gentle, go slowly. Now you can see here on this part there is a rubber piece, you don't need it, so you can dispose of that one there. Now we will need to remove the 4 screws at the bottom, allowing us to transfer the home button over to the new screen. Then remove the metal bracket, and we're going to disconnect the flex cable. Next we're going to pry off the home button flex cable. Be very careful prying this off as well. If you force it, it will break the cable and you will no longer have a working home cable, as well as losing the Touch ID feature. So be very careful here. And push the home button down and it should pop off from the screen. And there it is. Next we need to remove the 3 screws on each side of the screen. And after that you can pull out the back plate. Now it is sticking at the back, so you need to lift up and then go on the inside and gently pull it away from the adhesive. Just like that. And now we are ready to transfer it over to the new screen. On the new screen, just remove the protector. Now put the back plate back onto the new screen and then insert the home button back into the new screen. Next, turn over and reconnect the flex cable. Make sure the dot is lined up. After this, we can put the home button metal plate back on and tighten it with the 4 screws. Okay, next we need to move over this yellow filter sensor. So place it on the new screen. Also move the camera holder over. Now we are ready to put the camera flex cable back on. And when we are putting it back on, you need to line up the flex cable with the 2 white dots right there. So that is a guiding dot that helps you line up the flex cable. So make sure that goes into that white dot right there, and then lift up the camera and put your earpiece back on. Next you can put the metal bracket back on and secure it with the 6 screws on the top. Okay, now it's time for us to reattach the new screen to the motherboard. So we connect the flex cable at the top and at the middle. There are 2 cables in the center that you need to reconnect. So one is for the touch screen and the other is for the LCD. Also reconnect the battery cable if you have taken it out. Now we need to put the 2 metal plate back on and tighten it with the screws. Finally, we can down the screen. Now just at the top here there are some hooks that you need to hook into the frame right there. So we just need to make sure that it tucks under the frame, and then you can close it. So just press it gently on both sides so that it goes into the clip. It should make a small click sound. And finally you can put the 2 pentaloop screws back on. Finally, you can test the screen to make sure it is working properly. If it is glitching, then you can try to reconnect the cable. Okay, you know you have done a good job, so go and reward yourself for a job well done. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more video.